In this video, I will show you how you can make around $1,000 to $5,000 in your first 30 days with Google Ads affiliate marketing. You will basically be selling gadgets online through advertising, and the best part is you don't need to own a product, build a website, or worry about delivery. This is all handled by the affiliate network. The only thing you need to do is spend on ads and generate sales. The better your Google Ads marketing skills are, the better your results will be. This is so much better than dropshipping and most other businesses out there. And it also helps you improve your media buying skills, and in my opinion, not many opportunities come close to this. The affiliate network that I will be using in this tutorial is the ROI Club Affiliate Network. And if you don't know what an affiliate network is, it is basically a platform that has multiple products you can choose from and promote. All the offers inside the ROI Club Affiliate Network allow brand bidding on Google search ads, which make this strategy very straightforward. It is super easy, and I always advise beginners to start with this approach first. You don't need to create a landing page or spend a big budget to get started. Of course, you need to run a few tests and try a few different products. The first step is to sign up with the ROI Club Affiliate Network. The second step is to have a Google Ads account. If you don't have one, you can easily create it by searching Google Ads on Google. Once you have both accounts set up, the ROI Club Affiliate Network and your Google Ads account, I will show you how you can choose a product from Affiliate Network and run ads step by step, and how you can realistically make $1,000 to $5,000 per month even if you don't have much affiliate marketing experience. This is the dashboard of the ROI Club Affiliate Network, and you can see the stats here: clicks, revenue, conversions. If you will make a sale, you will be able to see the commission over here: today, yesterday, last month. Let's go to the offers page where we will see all the products that are available to promote. So for example, book mug, and we can see the commission over here. Payout is basically our commission. CPA 53. So this is how much we will get when we will sell this product. And you can see there's so many products. Doorbell camera. Let's look at the payout, $58. There are so many. Grounding sheets. Let's look at the payout, $87. So you have a lot of options. So for this tutorial, we will choose heated vest. That is a product that is trending right now. So we will go with Solana Gear heated vest, and the commission is $58. So we will go to offer tracking links, and we will select the URL from here. So you can see that there are multiple options. There is pre-sale page, which I will show you right now. So this page looks like an article. It is good for Facebook or native traffic like Taboola, because it is like an article and it is giving you information about this product. But in our case, we are running Google Ads, and we are brand bidding on the keywords like Solana Gear heated vest. So these people have already seen our product. Their intent is very high, and they are very interested in going to the website and buying this heated vest. So that's why we will use this page, which is the product page. So you can see the page. Let me show you. So this is the landing page, and they will click on it, order now, and enter their information, and they will buy this heated vest. So our next step is going to our Google Ads account and creating a Google Ads campaign. I'm in my Google Ads account. I will click on new campaign, and I will select sales. That is what we want. Then I will add goal and hit continue. And then I will click on search, and then I will hit continue. So campaign name, I will write Solana heated vest, and USA, that is where we are promoting. BB is brand bidding. You can go with conversion bidding, or you can select clicks. I normally start with clicks, and I set maximum CPC as $6, and this is Australian dollars. I will select next, and then I will untick this one. I will only use search partners when I'm scaling the campaign. Enter location, United States, and I will select this option because this means people who are physically in the location. I will select this one as no, and then select next and next and skip. So before I add keywords, you need to do the keyword research. You can use Google Keyword Planner, which is free. You can also use tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs. So I know the keywords which are working for this offer. I will write Solana heated vest, and the second one Solana gear heated vest. Here I will add the URL and then display path special offer, and then I will fill the headlines and description. I have already written the headlines and description. I will copy it from here. So these may not be the best description or headlines because this is just a tutorial, and what you should do is you should add enough headlines so that ad strength is excellent or good. And you need to complete everything like business name, business logo, site links, call outs. You need to add every single thing. And I can also show you what competitors are doing. So use this app. This is called Valentin.app, and put United States, put any city in USA, and then write the same keywords. And then you will see the competitors who are bidding on the same keyword. So you can see heated vest, Solana gear heated vest. This is the same product that we are going to promote, and they are doing the same thing, brand bidding. So you can always look at their headlines, what they are doing, and you can see these are the site links. You should also add the site links similar to this one. So try to create a better ad than your competitor like this one. So after adding all the information, I will hit save. Next, I will select the budget, $50. You can go with 50 or 100, and that is enough for testing purposes. So this is just a verification. I will complete the verification, and then I will hit the publish button. And this is super simple. As you can see that it doesn't take much time. You don't need to create video or image. It is just a simple campaign, and in this way you can test your Google Ads affiliate campaign. If you're interested in joining the ROI Club Affiliate Network, you need to be a member of the Affiliate Launchpad community, and you need to complete the course. I will put the link in the description if you want to join. Thank you.